You can align, distribute, and match the size of multiple elements together with this tool. Just hold the Control key down and click the elements you want to align. Now remember, the elements you are selecting must be attached to a parent element. For example, you can see how my title and my text are sitting in a box. These elements will now align themselves inside the box. If you select an element without the parent element attached, the first element you selected will act as the parent, or your page itself will act as the parent. Now let's align these elements. Hold Control key down and click the element you wish to align. And choose from the alignment options here. Align to left, in the middle, or to right. You can also align everything to the top, middle, or bottom of the element. Next, you can distribute your elements evenly, either horizontally or vertically. Just select the elements that you want and choose to distribute them with these buttons. Checking relative to parent will make sure that the elements you are selecting attaches itself to the parent element it's resting on. Next, you can match the size of your elements. First, you'll need to click on the element that you want to match to. Now select all the elements you want to match to this size and choose to match to width, match to height, or both. Last, you can use the undo button if you make any mistakes. Just click it to remove your last edit.